Did you know that 85% of people are more likely to buy a product after watching a video? And according to a research, 71% of marketers say that the video's conversion rates outperform other marketing content. Yes, we admit that video marketing is super important for our business nowadays. But do you still feel frustrated trying to learn complicated video software and makes you feel struggling to make pro video that converts? Well, I hope not anymore. Here's the easiest and fastest way to create attractive glitch-style animated videos without complicated video software. Glitch-style video is very attractive, and it can get more people attention to your offer. And no worry, you can create stunning and engaging glitch-style animated video by your own hands in just minutes. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars to get your video marketing done by a professional. You do not need any more trouble to learn complicated video software. And do not need to wait for weeks to get your videos done by pro designer. You can simply create your own amazing video marketing using our brand new VidiGlitch video templates. VidiGlitch is not just regular templates, it's a bundle of done-for-you, glitch-style video templates for all-in-one video marketing solutions. No complicated video editor needed, no more software required. All you need is just PowerPoint. PowerPoint is not just about presentation slides creator anymore. It can be turned into killer animation video creator if you have the right templates. And using VidiGlitch's template, it can help you create video 40% faster and can save your budget up to 85% than if you create a video from scratch. You can just edit, mix and match of our animation templates to make your desired video, and then export from inside your PowerPoint. Then voila! Your glitch-style video creations can be done in minutes. All you need is just PowerPoint that already installed on your computer. That's all. No more plugins, add-ons, or another complicated software needed. It's really a huge time and money saver for you, because VidiGlitch has massive and classy quality templates. All the templates designed in details to look creative, professional, eye-catching, cool, and attractive. But you still have full option to customize it easily as your desire. No more hiring expensive video creator to get your video marketing done for you. And no more stress using complicated but monotonous video software. With just a small budget, VidiGlitch video templates will help you to wow your audiences better than before. Act now. Get VidiGlitch's video template today and take your video marketing to another level.